Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. It is sad to see more than 30 million people have been affected by floods in Pakistan. More than 1,000 people have lost their lives, including young children. Pakistan has asked the international community for their support. Thousands of properties have been damaged and people have been forced to leave their properties and look for the higher and drier grounds. And it is sad to see young children in their school uniform crying, looking for their parents, not sure if they will ever see their parents again. And those communities who have been affected by these floods are desperate for clothing, clean water, food and medicine. As we all know, disasters like these also bring diseases with it. So please, ladies and gentlemen, do your bit and support Pakistan during this very difficult time. May Allah bless you all.